In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Google Play gift card on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be trying to purchase a game through the Xbox Store on their website. You can try following along through the console, and when you open the Microsoft Store, either through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or directly on your console, you will be able to browse through all of the games available. So whenever you find a specific game, expansion, DLC, and so on that you want to purchase, all that you have to do is click on it and then choose the option to buy. When you click to buy any game, you will have to choose from one of the payment methods currently attributed to your account. If you try to click on Add a way to pay, you will see that we have credit or debit card, which doesn't help us, e-wallet, which includes PayPal, PaySafeCard, and Venmo, and then finally redeem a gift card. If you try to go over here and you redeem this gift card, you will notice that you are just going to get an error message telling you that it is invalid. This is because, as the name suggests, you can only use the Google Play gift card on the Google Play Store on Google-related services. So as it stands today, is there a way to receive the funds from the Google Play gift card on our Microsoft accounts? Sadly, it is impossible to transfer the funds from the Google Play Store into Xbox. Because of this, you cannot redeem this gift card in any way, and you will not be able to purchase games, expansions, or anything available in-game. So if you are playing on an Xbox, you will need to purchase an Xbox or Microsoft gift card. You cannot redeem your Google Play gift card on Xbox. This is going to apply for any method that you can access the website. So you will not be able to do it through the website here. You will not be able to do it through the console, and it is basically impossible to redeem the card. The purpose of this video is not to spread this information, but to let people be aware that the only possible use of the Google Play gift card is going to be through your Google account. You cannot redeem it on your Microsoft or Xbox account. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.